We stayed at Mandarin Nest Boracay. It's a beachfront hotel located at Station 2 besides D Mall. Upon arrival at the hotel, sobrang welcoming na ng mga staff. They will accompany you to the hotel lobby. Once you enter the hotel, you feel a tropical vibe. Sa lobby pa lang nila, sobrang ganda na. To freshen up, they provide cold towel for the guests. And they also give us a welcome bracelet. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang kanilang complimentary welcome drinks. Upon entering the room, it's very aesthetic and IG worthy. With all the basic amenities, which includes safety deposit box and mini ref. May kettle na din sila with free only coffee, tea, and water. At meron na din mga toiletries, towels, bathrobe, and sleepers. Pwede nyo din iuwi yung sleepers and tote bag. At meron din palang full body mirror. Aside from the welcome drinks, meron din silang welcome treats inside the room. At meron din kayong access sa infinity pool nila located sa 5th floor. You can also order food and drinks sa kanilang minibar. And they serve free ice cream at 3:30 and 5:30 p.m. At meron din silang free breakfast buffet sa Hakuna Matata restaurant. And they serve rice, pasta, fruits, vegetable salad, taho, cereal, breads, and many more. Pwede din pala kayo magpaluto sa kanila ng omelette. Every morning naman, iba-iba yung kanilang sinaserve na main dish and pasta. Ang favorite part ko dito ay yung kukuha ka ng sarili mong taho. And at night, nagbibigay sila ng good night sweet treats. So that's it. Thank you for watching!